Hi everyone, I'm Adam from the Garage Woodworker, and today I'm going to challenge myself to turn this pallet wood and 3 2x4s into this lumber rack in under 1 hour. The first thing I'm going to do is run all the pallet wood through the thicknesser just to clean up the faces. This isn't necessary, I'm just doing it for aesthetics. I've run all the timber through the planer, except for on these thinner pieces I only did one side because I was worried about them getting too thin. Next step, I need to cut all of the pieces to length. I need 8 of these thicker ones at 600mm and then 15 of the thinner ones at 560mm, which I'll then run through the table saw to cut into 20mm wide. Now that I've got all the timber cut to size, the next thing I need to do is make the 4 rack pieces. And to do that, I'm just going to screw, glue, and nail them together. Now that I've got the 4 frames put together, next thing I need to do is put the 2x4s along the back. Now I'm going to line up the frames with the stretchers that I put along the top of the miter saw station cabinet, and then screw in through the bottom of the frames to hold it in place. Technically the lumber rack is now finished. It took me just under an hour. Now I'm actually going to screw this onto the top of the miter saw station, but you could just leave it freestanding on the ground like this. So that concludes the lumber rack build. If you liked my video, hit that subscribe button, tick the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. You can also follow me on social media on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll have links down in the description below. And I'll see you next time.